Have you ever thought about why some praises make her smile? Some compliments work better than others. In this video, we'll delve into the art of properly complimenting someone, a skill that can significantly impact your relationship. We won't just talk about telling her she's pretty, we'll also talk about compliments that hit deeper. If you want to stand out from the crowd, stay tuned. Before we start, please like this video and help us keep spreading the Stoic philosophy. If you haven't already, I suggest that you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any new videos. If you like this video, please leave a 1-star comment. If not, please leave a 0-star comment so I can make future videos better. Now, let's start 1. How do you feel about all the different ways to show admiration? Asking someone, "What do you think?" is more than just a simple question. It's an invitation into her world, demonstrating your appreciation for her thoughts and opinions. When you ask her opinion on something important to her, like her work, her hobbies, or something she's really interested in, you're telling her, "I value your intelligence and insight." This compliment is more than just kind words. It shows that you value her ideas and see her as someone who makes important contributions. Asking her opinion builds a stronger bond that leads to respect and understanding between you two. 2. I've learned so much from talking with you. Saying that someone has taught you something is a powerful compliment. Rather than expressing this in a generic manner, the focus should be on acknowledging her skills and abilities. Infuse it with sincerity. For example, if she taught you something about politics or introduced you to music that expanded your horizons, let her know that this compliment improves your relationship by showing that you value what she has done for you. 3. You look amazing as always. It can be challenging to compliment a woman's looks, especially in the beginning of a relationship. "You look amazing as always" is a classic choice because it focuses on her consistency rather than just a fleeting moment. This shows that your admiration isn't based on her looks alone, but on the way she carries herself. Adding "as always" to the compliment gives it weight and reassures her that your attraction goes beyond just one aspect of her appearance. This helps her feel secure and confident in the relationship. "You're funny." While men often receive praise for their sense of humor, women also find enjoyment in spotting their humorous side. Recognizing her sense of humor breaks that stereotype and shows that you're interested in her personality. Whether you're responding to her witty banter in person or sending her a laughing emoji to a joke over text, it fosters a relationship that is built on mutual enjoyment and enjoyment. Sharing laughter strengthens relationships, so don't be afraid to compliment her sense of humor. 5. You're not like anyone I've ever met before. This compliment celebrates her individuality without using the tired cliché, "You're not like other girls." It recognizes what makes her special and draws attention to her unique qualities. Honesty conveys a powerful message, valuing her for her true self rather than comparing her to others. 6. You're good at what you do. This compliment makes her feel positive about herself and encourages her to accept her flaws and strengths. Telling someone they're talented at what they do is a compliment that goes beyond how they look. As an artist, entrepreneur, or elite performer in any field, this is true. This praise lets her know that you understand what drives her. It shows that you respect her drive and knowledge, which will inspire her to keep going after her goals. "I feel so much better when I'm with you." This sincere statement shows how relationships can change people. It's not just about physical attraction. It's about how she helps you grow emotionally and personally. When you tell her this, you're recognizing her positive impact on your life and the deeper connection you share. This praise goes deeper than the surface level and shows how emotionally connected you two are, which is what makes your relationship unique. 8. When it comes to your physical attributes, your hair, lips, and eyes are truly remarkable. Being specific is preferable to making broad generalizations. Focusing on unique traits. It shows that you've paid attention to and valued what makes her unique, like the way her hair falls, the way her lips curve, or the way her eyes look down. It is evident that your attraction to her is both private and thoughtful. Be careful not to treat her like an object. Instead, focus on praising her special beauty and treating her with respect as a person. 9. I admire your work ethic in a time when people often only care about how they look. It's encouraging to witness women receiving recognition for their tireless efforts. Telling her you respect how hard she works is a compliment that shows you recognize her determination and drive. It shows that you appreciate her hard work and drive, which can mean a lot to someone who works hard. This kind of compliment goes beyond just noticing how she looks and recognizes her academic and professional accomplishments, which builds a stronger bond. 10. As we conclude this discussion on giving meaningful compliments, what do you think? This question not only shows that you value her opinion, but it also elevates her role in the conversation, making her feel seen, heard, and appreciated. By asking for her opinion, you reinforce the idea that you value it, which builds a relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. Have you learned any new ways to show admiration and appreciation in your relationships? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your participation helps build a community of shared knowledge and support. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Let's continue building meaningful relationships based on admiration and understanding. Thanks for watching.